As far as testing your water and doing it simple and quick and cheap, you can go to Lowe's or Home Depot, get a home water test kit and test it at home, or you can go on Amazon and order a test kit like this, and it'll be at your house in a couple of days. As far as the home test kits, the pH test strips, basically you order a kit like this, comes with these test strips, and you match to the colors on a chart that come in the instructions. You dip it into the water for a few seconds or so, and then once the colors change, you match it to the chart that's in the brochure, and you find out what your pH level is. 6.5 to 8.5 is the EPA standard right now. But really what you want is you want to be 7 to 8 on the pH scale. 7 being neutral, the scale goes from 0 to 14. 7 is right in the middle. So 7 is actually where you want to be. Now, some people ask me, is it worth getting a digital pH meter? Yeah, they're pretty accurate. You just have to make sure it's calibrated correctly, and you can order those from Amazon and get a very accurate reading of your pH level. Or you can call a local water testing lab and get the most accurate test available. It's going to cost you, say, $200–300 for a lab test.